Welcome. In front of me is a ZTE Blade A71, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and in here you should find somewhere toggle called hotspot. Now once you see it, first time around you want to hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize things like, for instance, passwords, which are usually randomly generated, so you will have to navigate here even if you don't want to change anything. Otherwise you have no way of knowing what the password is. Now what I actually recommend doing is clicking on the hotspot password and changing it. Now this, I believe, has been set by someone else. Usually the randomly generated passwords also have letters along with numbers. This one only has numbers, so chances are this has been set by someone else. Now when you're selecting your hotspot password, it needs to have at least 8 characters in length. As you can see, I just set it up to be 8 characters length exact, and from there you can save it. Now that's really the only thing I would recommend changing, and in your case, if you don't want to even change it, that you need to look at. But if you're feeling like you want to customize the hotspot, you can navigate into advanced, and never mind, because we don't have almost any options here. So anyway, once we select the password, I guess that's it. So we can close this, and now whenever you want to use your hotspot, simply press on the toggle. This will turn it on. Now it does, as you can see, turn off Wi-Fi because it utilizes the same antennas, I assume. So whenever you enable your hotspot, you don't have Wi-Fi. Additionally, obviously you will be broadcasting or letting someone access your mobile network, so it will be pulled from your data plan. So if you don't have a very big data plan on with your carrier, you might want to just like keep this under control. So just use it in times when you actually need it. Anyway, one last thing to mention here is once you're done with the hotspot, you'll most likely want to turn it off, obviously for the Wi-Fi to get it back, and additionally because it does consume more of your battery life, so if you're not using it, there's no reason for it to be running in the background. And to turn it off, simply tap on the toggle once more. Now with this being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.